If you have $10,000 sitting in a regular savings account right now, you're losing over $400 every single year without doing anything wrong. You just don't know the fix. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly where your money should be, how safe it is, and how to move it in under 10 minutes. Problem here's what's happening. Most big banks, the ones everyone uses, pay you almost nothing on your savings. We're talking 0.01% to 0.5% interest. That means on $10,000, you're earning maybe $1 to $50 a year. Meanwhile, inflation is eating away at your money's value every single year. So technically your safe savings account is actually losing you purchasing power. Solution 1. High yield savings account. The first fix. High yield savings account. These are offered by many FDIC-insured banks, meaning your money is just as protected as a regular bank up to $250,000, but instead of 0.01%, you earn 4 to 5% interest on that same $10,000. That's $400 to $500 a year just for moving your money to the right place. Solution 2. Money market accounts. Another option is a money market account. Similar interest rates, but sometimes with check writing privileges or debit card access, so it's more flexible if you need occasional access to that money. Solution 3. Treasury Bills CDs. If you don't need the money for a few months, certificates of deposit or CDs and Treasury Bills often offer even higher rates, sometimes 5% or more, completely backed by the government. How to actually do it? Here's exactly how to switch. Step 1. Research 2 to 3 FDIC-insured high-yield accounts online. Step 2. Open the account. Takes about 10 minutes. Step 3. Transfer your funds from your old account. That's it. Your money stays 100% safe, but now it's actually working for you. This is exactly the kind of practical money move I share every week on this channel. No hype, no jargon, just what actually works. If this helped you, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.